Hello everyone, welcome to Data Compression Technique video lecture. In this session, we are learning about subband coding and wavelet-based compression. Today's topic is G.722 standard and MPG audio compression. Firstly, we will see about ITU-T. ITU-T is an International Telecommunication Union standard for audio compression and decompression that is used in digital transmission system and used for coding of analog signal into digital signal. Now, what is G.722 standard? G.722 standard is ITU-T standard codec that use subband adaptive differential pulse code modulation within a bitrate of 64 kbps. This system referred to as 64 kbps audio coding. ADPCM split frequency band into two subband, that is higher and lower, and signal in each subband are encoded using this technique. At the encoder, speech signal is sampled at the rate of 16 kbps and decomposed into two subband of equal bandwidth. Each subband signal is downsampled by factor of 2 encoding, and the subband decomposition is performed with QMF, quadrature mirror filter, with finite impulse response. And at the decoder side, at the decoder, quantized subband signals are unsampled by factor of 2 using same filters used at encoder to decompose the signal into subbands. And the quadrature mirror filter ensure the aliasing due to overlapping subband cancel out, and the reconstructed subband signal are then added together to form a synthesis signal. And it was found that the best result is 6 kbps for lower band and 2 kbps for higher band to allow for transmission of data and speech of same channel. The lower band resolution is variable and we can take the value 6, 5 and 4 bit rate per symbol. Now next topic is G.722.1 standard. What is G.722.1 standard? It is also ITU-T standard for low complexity coding at 16, 24 and 32 kbps for hand-free operation in system with low frame loss. And the requirement quality of new standard of these 3 bit rates would be equivalent or we can say better than G.722 at 48, 56 and 64 kbps respectively for in a wide variety of operating condition. These operating condition covered, for example, like clean speech, speech with background noise, music and level variations. Now comes to the next topic, that is MPG compression. What is MPG? MPG stands for Moving Picture Expert Group. MPG is standard format for compressing, storing digital video and audio. MPG algorithm is first international standard for digital compression for high fidelity audio, and other audio compression algorithm address only speech application, or we can say provide only medium fidelity audio compression performance. MPG compression consists basically 4 steps to compress. First is data preparation, second is data processing, that consists medium prediction and DCT, third is quantization, and fourth is entropy encoding. MPG standard address the compression of synchronized video and audio at 1.5 Mbps. MPEG consists some features and applications. First is MPEG is a generic audio compression standard. Unlike video, vocal track model coder is specially tuned for speech signal, and MPG coder get its compression without making assumption about nature of the audio source, and the compression result for removal of irrelevant part of audio signals, since removal of such part result in inaudible distortion. MPG compression any signal meant to be heard by human ears. MPG bit stream makes features also such as random access, audio fast forwarding, and audio reverse possible. It consists some sampling rate also. The sampling rate is 32, 44.1 and 48 kHz. MPG compression bit stream can support 1 or 2 audio channels in one of 4 possible modes. First audio channel support is monophonic mode, second is dual monophonic mode, and third is stereo mode, and fourth is joint stereo mode. Monophonic mode for single audio channel, and dual monophonic mode for 2 independent audio channels. Third, stereo mode for stereo channels that share bits but don't use joint stereo coding. In the joint stereo mode, they take advantage of either the correlations between stereo channels. It has some compression layer. MPG offer a choice of 3 independent layers of compression that provide a wide range of trade-off between codec complexity and compressed audio quality. The first layer is simplest and best suited for bit rate above 120 kbps per channel. For example, Philips digital compact cassette use layer first compression at 192 kbps per channel, and second layer has intermediate complexity and target bitrate around 128 kbps channel. Possible application for this layer include the coding of audio for digital audio broadcasting, and storage of synchronized video and audio sequence on CD-ROM, and full motion extension of CD interactive and video CD. Third layer of compression layer is the most complex but offer the best audio quality, particularly for bitrate around 64 kbps per channel. This layer suited for audio transmission. We will study the wavelet based compression in next video lecture, part 3 of subband coding. Thank you.